Hello everyone, back with another review on another pair of open ear earbuds. The first pair of open ear earbuds I did was these Truefree 01. They go around the ear and have a little speaker pointed towards your ear canal, so they're not directly in your ear, which is kind of nice. But another company reached out offering these BM-CT2 earbuds, which are a similar design of going around the ear and pointing towards your ear. These were originally released June 12th of 2023. Simple packaging, very simple product overall. While this looks relatively small, it is a very large case and kind of a fingerprint magnet if you have sweaty, sticky hands like me, but that is okay. Looks like it charges via USB-C. I like that the battery percentage displays in the case. That's pretty cool. I feel like a lot of modern headphones still don't have that, so I like that that's a feature on these pair. Also in the case, you get a user manual, which is pretty straightforward. And then you also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. These have a 16.2 millimeter driver, and they actually do sound pretty good when they are on the outside of your ear. The bass feels pretty good, and it's rich enough and deep enough that you can feel it vibrating the earbud, and that translates well into, it almost feels like bone conducting earbuds, just because of how much it vibrates in a good way, actually. I'm going to switch over to an example of the microphone of these earbuds now. Okay, I'm using the microphone of these earbuds, the BM-CT2. Here's an example of some typing. Is that crisp and clear? Can you clearly hear me? Oh no, my computer just switched sources. How does this sound still as I'm trying to troubleshoot? Can you clearly hear me as I talk and figure this out? I do think these earbuds are more comfy than the Truefree 01, and I like the big button on each of these earbuds. The big button, you control them with play, pause, pairing, on, off, and it's just very simple. The speaker holes, I like that metal stainless steel look, and I'm interested to listen back to this microphone. Overall, what do you think of this microphone? Okay, I'm back to my Rode mic, and I've listened back to that microphone. I'd give it a 6 or 7 out of 10. It's not extremely clear, but it's not right next to your mouth. So, overall, decent microphone. Showing side by side against the Truefree 01 and the BM-CT2, I do think the BlitzMax CT2 are more comfortable than the Truefree 01. They don't bounce around as much as the Truefree 01, and the Truefree 01 case is just oddly large. Like, I would never put this in my pocket. The BlitzMax at least is a little thinner. It's still very big compared to the AirPods Pro case or most wireless earbuds case. Here's how it looks on my head. It's not a bad looking earbud by any means. Pretty simple, and it slides on very easily. The Truefree 01, you kind of have to like mold them around your ear. I do like that this sounds like transparency mode in that you can hear all of the surroundings while also hearing music. They sound pretty good. It's like an 8 out of 10 for sound, considering that they're not going directly in your ear. Overall, I would recommend these, but I would compare them against other things in this price range for sure.